Good afternoon, everyone.
Today, our crew will take you on a short voyage.
To show you how the Maritime Code of Conduct works.
In kitchen ethics, work hand in hand to keep the ship safe and the crew healthy.
Anchors away. Aprons on.
Let
the role play begin.
Before we sail, remember Maritime Code. Respect the ship, respect each other, follow safety rules.
No reckless acts, no ignoring orders, and always report hazards.
So no sword fights in the galley.
Exactly, Ilawood. And speaking of the galley, here's where kitchen ethics come in. Rule number 1. Clean as you go. Rule number 2. Respect the food. No waste.
Warn others if there's danger, just like on deck.
What about tastings too before serving?
Only with a clean spoon. Hygiene is non-negotiable.
Ilawood, knife on the counter, safety branch.
Okay, starting now.
On the ship, the face mistake immediately.
At sea or in the galley, discipline keeps us safe.
Kitchen ethics keeps us healthy.
I realize that rules are not restrictions, they are lifetime at sea.
Cleanliness is as important as steering the ship safely.
Communication prevents accidents, both on deck and the galley.
Even small action like stirring a knife will keep the whole crew safe.
Oh.
One, two, three, go.
Anchors away.
Ay,
Anchors away.
Ilawood, safety on the counter.
kitchen ethics ensures hygiene, fairness, and food safety in the galley, preventing accidents and maintaining health. Both codes work together. Without discipline, the ship risks chaos. Without kitchen ethics, the crew risks illness and low morale.